Hey guys, in the last video you learnt about OSI model. In this video you are gonna learn about TCP IP model. So let's get started. This model has only 5 layers. The application layer, the presentation layer and the session layer of the OSI model is grouped into a single layer called the application layer. The rest of all the layers are same as the OSI model and the functions are also same as of in the OSI model. Now we will learn about TCP IP protocol stack. It means that it is a set of communication protocol used in the internet or at a same network. It is followed by the computers interconnected to each other. Some of the protocols used in the application layers are Telnet, FTP, SMTP, DNS and RIP. Protocols used in the transport layer are TCP and UDP. Protocols used in the network layer are ARP, IP, IGMP, ICMP. Protocol used in the data link and physical layer is Ethernet, token ring, frame relay and ATM. These protocols are required while you are setting up a server. That's it for this video guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.